The following message has been transmitted by local authorities in your area. A weather warning has been issued due to inclement weather conditions surrounding tonight's meteor shower. Residents are advised to remain indoors at this time. Any further instructions will This is a civil danger warning issued by local authorities in your area. Residents are advised to seek shelter immediately. Avoid all windows, doors leading to uninhabited rooms and electronic devices. Do not attempt to go outside. Do not attempt to help anyone outside. Do not attempt to look at tonight's meteor shower. Do not attempt to leave your home. Remain calm and await further instructions.